Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today videos I will show you beautiful tires outdoor decor ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is viewers tire flower planter. Paint an old tire in your favorite color and fill it with the good soil and colorful flowers. You can place one tire in the corner of your garden or use tire together to create a lovely flower display. Bright flower combined with colorful tire can instantly make an outdoor space look cheerful. Hanging tire planter and old tire can be turned into a hanging planter. Hang it securely from a strong spot and fill the bottom with soil and beautiful plant. You can let the flowers grow over the side to create a soft and natural look. This is a great idea for wall or garden area. And viewers, my next idea is viewers friends, tire garden seat. All the tires can also be used to make outdoor seating. Take 2 or 3 tires and add a strong wooden cushion top. Cover the tire with raw fabric or paint to create a stylish garden seat. It can be a simple and affordable addition to an outdoor seating area. And viewers, tire flower pot tower. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying our videos. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz viewers.